Kate, we are very, very thankful for all the effort, and I believe that you've made the effort along with your staff. So we want our thanks also to go to them. We wanted to visit for many reasons. You know that we started by visiting the ministries, and that is part of our charge. And part of the plan is to bring policy towards implementation so we can move on to evaluation. So that is part of it. We didn't want to be working in isolation and just waiting for reports. We know the reports are good. It's also important that we hold hands even in the process. So we also decided that as part of this, to visit all the businesses, but especially to visit businesses led by women. And I don't think we have to explain why. We all understand why. And so we are very happy that you even changed your travel plans in order to accommodate our schedule that sometimes tend to be erratic. So again, we are very, very grateful. And we are interested in visiting all businesses led by women, however big or small. The fact that they are also doing something, if only to support themselves, to support others, if only to feed their children, we think that is also a very important economic contribution. So they are all very important. So when you see us in the markets, you see us in the stalls, in the shops, on the streets, that's what we are trying to do. Because whatever we do should affect people. And they should affect people in their daily lives in order for our policies to be meaningful. So that is why we do all these things that we do. Because the reset agenda, that's what it's about. It's about making life meaningful for all of us. And so working with them, walking with them, they're all part of the strategy. So whether the businesses are big or small. But we are particularly happy to be here because it is a business led by women in a business environment that you don't always see women in. But she's been there for a long time. And we think it is time we highlighted the efforts of people like Kate Papafiu. So we are very, very grateful to see what you are doing. We are thankful for the tour you've given us, for the few women we have met, and I take your words, and I know you will take it up to train even more women. And they are trainable. They can do it, regardless where we think they are. All we need to do is to give them the opportunity to raise them up, and they will fly. So we want you to continue to do even more. Only yesterday, we opened the conference on rice. I believe that before the day ends, a lot of us in this room would have eaten rice. So even as we talk about rice, we talk about cocoa or cashew or gold, we are also talking about electricity. And as I said, sometimes they are not areas that you see a lot of women in. So Kate, we want to congratulate you. I know it has been an interesting journey. Yes, I didn't say it's a difficult journey. It's an interesting journey, regardless the H's you meet. They are meant to encourage you because in the process, you also learn new things. So let us see challenges as the building blocks towards maybe perfection in the sense that we never get there anyway, but we keep trying together. So well done. And we want to thank you again for your workers, for your technicians, for your family, for everybody who has seen this establishment grow to this level. We have no doubt that even the longer journeys ahead of you and that you rise to the occasion. Well done. Thank you very much.